Hola, buenos días. Soy Ruth. This is día 75 of 100 Days of Spanish. Hoy quiero presentar un poco de español para usar when you're not very well in a Spanish-speaking country. I hope that you're well today. ¿Cómo estás? Yo estoy bien, gracias. But what happens when you're not? You need to ask for help, perhaps. So let's start with the word for help. Ayudar is the verb, to help. Ayudar. Now, it would be easier if it was aidar, and that's Asturian, that's another branch of the Romance languages. In Francais, I think it's aider. So, well, you can see it's related, relacionado. And if you ask somebody, ¿me puede ayudar? Can you help me? So me comes at the beginning, me, can you, puede. That's the usted form. So is asking un profesional, ¿me puede ayudar? Very useful. Tengo un problema. Okay? Me puede ayudar. That's your first sentence to learn. Next. Very school teacher today. First sentence to learn. Me puede ayudar. Next. The word for ill is enfermo. And you can see how that's related to our word for infirm. People who are infirm are unwell or vulnerable and fragile because they're very old, they're infirm. So enfermo is ill. Mi marido está enfermo. Mi mujer está enferma. So the O changes to A. Depende si es una mujer, if it's a lady, if it's a woman. Mi madre está enferma. Bien? Mi amigo está enfermo. And use está, estoy. Even if you think it's permanente, this is your state, okay? So we'll just stick with estar. Yo estoy enferma. Okay? Me puede ayudar. Tengo un problema. Yo estoy enferma. Okay? So we're getting there. Now, words connected with various illnesses, various síntomas, are very similar. Okay? So you might need some medicina. ¿Sí? Necesito medicina. Necesito algo. Something. Necesito algo. Para la. Okay. Let's go through a few of them that are very similar. Para la fiebre. Fever. Necesito algo para la fiebre. Necesito algo para las náuseas. Like my little action. Necesito algo para las náuseas. Necesito algo para el asma. Necesito algo para las alergias. Allergies, ¿sí? Estoy alérgica al polen, ¿sí? Necesito algo para la diarrea. All of these words are very similar, so just learn them, okay? Fiebre, náuseas, alergia, asma, diarrea. Bien? And then you might want to know what they'll say to you. So we'll finish with that. Nice short lesson today. They might have some pastillas, some tablets for you. Okay? Toma una pastilla 3 veces al día. Veces is times, so 3 times a day is 3 veces al día. All right? Perdón, otra vez is another time. Perdón, no entiendo, otra vez. So toma la pastilla 3 veces al día. Una rima. Antes de comer would be before eating. Antes de comer. Okay? Now, in a couple of days' time, I'll tell you una historia about cuando una persona conmigo estaba enfermo en Perú y yo necesitaba ayuda. Okay, but in the meantime, if you have una historia about when una persona en tu grupo estaba enfermo o enferma in a Spanish-speaking country, tell me. If it's not too private, tell me about it. En español. Es interesante para mí. Mañana we're going to explore dos tipos de verbo. So, es un poco de gramática, pero es interesante, es útil. Entonces, vuelve mañana. So, come back tomorrow. Vuelve mañana. Hasta mañana. Gracias for watching. Subscribe. Te veo mañana. Hasta mañana. Adiós.